How to find Instagram account join date. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to find Instagram account join date. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. To do that, simply open your App Store or Google Play Store and then type in Instagram and make sure to click on the update button if the update button shows. And then once you have done updating your Instagram app, what you're going to do now is to simply open the app. And then once you have opened the app, what you're going to do is to go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. And then go on the three lines found on the upper right corner of the screen and click on your activity. Once you're in your activity section, click on account history right here. And then once you're in account history, scroll to the bottom of the page and you may be able to see the very first or the very last activity, which is the account created. So as what you can see here, you created your account on September 22, 2021. So again, you need to go to your profile, go to the three lines, go to your activity, and go to account history and scroll to the bottom of the page. So that's it. That's how you can find Instagram account join date. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.